Designing a website in Xara and need to work with an XWS project file? These are web design documents specific to the Xara software ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, edit, and export these Xara Web Designer files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for XWS files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. XWS files are web design project files created by Xara Web Designer software, containing website layouts, graphics, text styles, and interactive elements. They store complete website designs with vector graphics, image placements, text formatting, and page structure for web publishing. XWS files use Xara's proprietary binary format, storing vector objects, raster images, text layouts, page structure, CSS styling, JavaScript code, and web export settings within a structured container designed for the Xara Web Designer authoring environment. System file recognition for XWS is optimized for Xara Designer Pro X by Magix Software GmbH. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows can open them through local tools, yet their full intent is realized in online or hosted environments. Your first step towards full access, right-click the XWS file and select Open With. If Xara Designer Pro X is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If your XWS file will not open, do not worry, you're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in Xara Web Designer. Launch Xara Web Designer and use File then Open to load the XWS file. The software displays the complete website design with all pages, graphics, and interactive elements ready for editing. Xara Designer Pro and Xara Photo Graphic Designer can also open XWS files. Next, exporting the website. Within Xara Web Designer, use the Publish Website function to export the XWS project as a complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript website. Choose a destination folder, and Xara generates all required files for hosting on a web server, with images optimized for web delivery. Finally, trying the free viewer. Download the free Xara Online Designer or trial version of Xara Web Designer from the Xara website to view XWS files without purchasing the full software. The trial allows opening and viewing existing projects with limited editing capabilities for assessment purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.